Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, open up your Metatrader 5 application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this type of page. Now you cannot withdraw money directly from Metatrader 5. So, in order to withdraw money from your Metatrader 5, you need to make sure to first of all, send the USD or any other cryptocurrency to your XNES account or any other account that you have. You're just going to need to click on Deposit and deposit the cryptocurrency from your particular Metatrader 5 to your XNES account. And once you have received the money, you can simply click on the Withdraw option and withdraw it into your bank account directly. So that's the only way right now of how you can withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to your bank account. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.